I'm going to go ahead and heat this up. It is hot. I've already taken this off. And I want to put the flame on the body of the carburetor, not on the brass, what's left of the valve there, because that's what we want to expand, is the metal around that brass valve. That rooster is going to get me in trouble with the city one of these days. Not real sure how hot I can get this before other important things start to melt down, but I'm going to get it hot. Got my favorite pair of grippy pliers that I'm going to try and twist that thing out of there. Starting to see steam come out of the inside of the carburetor, so I am going to go ahead and try to twist that out now. Wish me luck. Yeah, baby, get out of there. Come on. Yahoo! Success. Ah, screw you, chicken. So this piece was on here like that. And this is what the new one will look like pretty much. And it gets pressed into place. So that's the part number. That's the valve. I'm not going to get this red hot because I don't want to melt anything else in this carburetor, but I'm going to heat it up pretty good. And move it to over here. And remember which way the valve is supposed to go. You see it stops right at about there. I think it's in. New fuel line, new fuel filter. No more leaks.